Hello, my great people. Welcome to this four-bedroom whole ensuite mansion located in Juja, specifically Mangu, along Thika Road. Just 15 minutes drive from Thika Road. Right here, it sits on a plot size of 40 by 80, and this one is your parking space. This one is your garden, or also you can call it your greenery. And this is your facade of the house. Looks so great. Huh? Now, this is the entry porch that welcomes you to your spacious living room space that has been made with high ceilings with wonderful chandelier. Nice. Your dining area space, your open kitchen plan with 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 fixed appliances. Yes. Let's go to the other bedrooms. Uh, your common washroom. This one is your bedroom. Primary bedroom. So all of them are ensuite. Yes. Your guest bedroom is right here. Spacious. Highly spacious. Uh-huh. The other bedroom is right here. Ensuite as well. Uh-huh. The fourth bedroom is is located on the top of the house. Huh? We can go check it. So this leads you to the staircase area, the backyard of the house. Let's see it. Looks so great. Looks so great. The design of this house so wonderful. This is the backyard of the house. It's also the laundry area, and the stairs leads you to the top of the rooftop of the house. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. This is the rooftop space. I love the lighting. The lighting design right here. You have wonderful views over there. Check it. Your dam over there. You can see. This is your pergola space. And you have great views with your glass panel space. The rooftop space is highly spacious. This is the fourth bedroom, and this fourth bedroom can act as your DSQ. So I really recommend this house so much. I really recommend this house so much. So for 14.5 million Kenya shillings, this is what you're gonna get in Juja. Thank you so much, my people, and God bless you.